We got to do some simple queries, but what if we wanted to do more complex narrowing down of rows? What if we wanted to get all orders over $300, but only those with the status of paid? So to our previous query, we're going to add to the where clause. So we have total due over 300. We're going to add and status equals paid. And then when we hit the lightning bolt, we see that we only now get items that are over 300 and the status is paid. But what if we wanted to do all orders over 300 or have the status of paid? So what we would do is we would change the and to an or. And then we would hit the lightning bolt. And as you can see, we'll have items that are under $300 that have the status of paid. And we have orders that are over $300 that have other statuses like past due. So you see, you can have an and or an or. Now, what if we wanted to do all orders over $300 and have a status of past due or due? How do we do that? Well, we would change this back to and we would add a parentheses here. So we have a status of past due or status of due. We have to close the brackets first. And then when we hit the lightning bolt, we get over $300 with the status of past due or due. Another way we can do this is we can do and a status in parentheses past due. And then we need to replace this with a comma. When we hit the lightning bolt, you can see it's the same thing. So you could use the parentheses and do the status, or you could use the in clause. There are, of course, more expressions, but you can now start executing more complex queries.